Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Kind of a neat looking object. And I'm not saying you're ever going to draw this, but what I'm going to do toward the end will maybe make life easier on some other thing. I'm going to take a 6-sided polygon. I am going to, it's more than 13. Well, you know what? Let's make it smaller. And because I've got my nudge factor set on 13, I'm going to make a duplicate and move that over. Now, this is a polygon, so we can take the shape tool and bring this in and then start spinning it around. And, you know, there's a lot you could do with it, but we want it kind of symmetrical, so I'm going to stop on that node. Now, the reason I made the other polygon is because now I have all these shapes. I'm going to figure out a way faster to do this than the Smart Fill tool. I might make a part 2 because I just started thinking there might be a way. But just real quick, I'm just filling all these in. And you have to do this because what you're doing now, you're making individual objects. And you don't have to make it symmetrical like I did where that polygon's in the middle, but it looked pretty cool. So now we're going to take the interactive fill tool on any of them. I'm going to use this one right here. And I'm going to go interactive fill tool and I'm going to swipe over and I'm going to hit dark. And I'm going to hit another lighter color, maybe put another dark in there. And you could play with this as much as you wanted to, for as long as you wanted to. I don't really like this. Let's leave it just like it was. Let's stretch it out a little bit. Now, to make them all look like that, take your pick tool and select everything. We have 45 objects. I'm going to hold down the shift key. I'm going to select this one. Now I have 44. Now I'm going to go up to edit and copy properties from, fill. And then I'm going to tell it which one to copy it from, and look what you get. Now that's quite a bit different than my first one, but you get the idea. Because now the fills are all different angles, and I mean, look at this one right here versus the little ones. Now I'm going to hopefully if I can figure it out, make a part 2 on how we could do that a lot quicker. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.